Hello everyone and welcome to another Memorial Drive Tire and Auto video. In today's installment I will be covering alignments. Now I know that everyone watching is an impeccable driver, but does your car pull to either the left or the right no matter how straight you try to drive? Or have you noticed that despite you driving straight down the road, your steering wheel is still off-centered? But the worst one is when you just bought new tires. Literally, just bought them about 6 months ago and you're getting an oil change and the technician tells you that they notice unusual wear on your tires. Now, before you go accusing the technician of giving you false information and simply trying to sell you brand new tires, keep in mind that experiencing any of these conditions while driving is your car's way of telling you that it needs an alignment. If you still have doubts, I recommend taking your car to a professional service technician and having them take a look for you. When you take your car in for an alignment, always make it a point to explain what your car is doing and why you believe the car should be aligned. Does your car vibrate, or have you noticed odd tread wear pattern on your tire? Putting off an alignment can lead to excess wear on other parts of your car, which can add up the cost quickly. Not to mention the premature wear on your tires, causing you to constantly buy new ones. Do the smart thing and keep up with your car maintenance by visiting Memorial Drive Tire and Auto. And thanks for watching.